Thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to join us for the Oliver Motors walk-around video of a 2013 Chevy Equinox LTZ all-wheel drive. Hi, my name is Del, and I'm going to show you some of the great features that this 13 Equinox has to offer. In an attempt to stand out in its class, the 2013 Equinox has gone tire to tire with its competition, including some all-time favorites like Honda and Toyota. The Equinox, however, offers style, refinement, functionality, and most of all, comfort. Plus, some great high-tech features that 2013 brought out. That right there has taken the Equinox, and along with also the expanded size, the Equinox is probably one of the only subcompact SUVs that's actually more in the mid-size than a subcompact. So along with all the stuff I mentioned, plus that is a reason that the Equinox has been one of the most popular SUVs in the compact class to date. All the great features the LTZ gives you, the chrome wheels, the chrome mirrors, the two-tone interior when you open that door. Great features inside like the power locks, the power mirrors, and your power windows. Everything right there to driver's fingertips. Looking at the side of the seat, this does have not only power driver's seat, but you see up towards the front there, it also has memory seat. The leather two-tone interior. Hopping up inside the vehicle, on the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control with your lane departure. On the right-hand side, you have your radio controls and your hands-free. Looking to the left, toggle switch. Behind the steering wheel, you have your light, your blinkers, and your brights. On the right-hand side behind on the toggle is going to be your front and rear wipers. Moving up towards the dash, one of the things I do like is it does have a nice bright LED display, making it easy to read. That center information center, they can go through, toggle through some great features. Moving over towards the center stack, a nice big display screen with a backup camera, AM, FM, XM, and CD all included. Also do have the multimedia controls. Right there is the controls for your head unit. The center there is going to be your climate controls, which also do have heated front seats. The information buttons that you saw there are for that center screen I was talking about on the dash. The CD player, lots of storage. As you can see, a little cubby hole down there that has the cigarette lighter adapter, 2 cup holders, a nice big glove box with an owner's manual that's included right in front of the passenger seat. Inside the center armrest, you do have a nice tray on top, deep down below, and down below you saw that USB port for plugging in for the multimedia controls. As we get out and take a look up above, that two-tone interior goes throughout the entire car. The upgraded Pioneer stereo system that's in here, Pioneer speakers. Moving around the back seats, when I was talking about the expanded size of the Equinox, look at the amount of room that is in that back seat. It's almost limo-like. 5 passenger capabilities, but you do have the option, if you only have 1 or 2 people in the back, dropping that center armrest down and having cup holders, or you have 1 or maybe 2 people in the back, you can drop that back down for more room for storage. And talking about storage, let's go around to the back of the vehicle and open up the hatch. As this pops up, you'll see that it is a power assist hatch. Great feature, especially if your hands are full. Look at the amount of room that you have back there for groceries or equipment. Going on a trip, the suitcases. Underneath the floor, you do have your spare tire, your jack assembly. Again, to close that hatch, you hit the button right there. It's the power assist going down. The other feature that you do have is you can use the remote, and it's also on the remote. As we walk around to the front, we're going to pop open that hood. Taking a look underneath. Everything that you need to check or fill is easily accessible. This 2.4-liter 4-cylinder has some great fuel economy, great safety features like crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, 5-mile-an-hour bumper, both front and rear, side impacts, all included. If you'd like more information, please join us at www.olivermotors.com.